Hey guys, I wanted to show you how to get to your Launchpad and your resources such as STEM scopes just from a regular um, web page. So if we're just starting here off at Google, the first thing that you're going to have to do is go to your search bar and you can type in neisd.net. Once you get here to neisd.net, it's very simple. You can log in over here, or you can just click Launchpad um, and go right to your Launchpad, but it will probably ask you for your login information. So it's going to be that at stu.neisd.net, and then your password, unless you changed it, should be your like your lunch number, your ID number. You'll notice that on this website, there's also Skyward access for your parents if you want to let them know. But to get to STEM Scopes, just go to your Launchpad. Mine opens up because I'm already signed in. Yours might have a login, so just remember to do your login. A lot of the work that I'm going to have you do online for the upcoming weeks is going to be STEM Scopes work. So to get to STEM Scopes, you're going to have to go to Science and STEM Scopes. Your STEM Scopes will look different than mine. Your STEM scopes will already have assignments showing for you, and I'll show you somewhat what it will look like. So when you come in, you'll have a list of assignments like this, and you're going to have to refer to your Google Classroom so you know which of these do you submit for a grade. So make sure you're looking at your Google Classroom to know which assignments you submit for a grade and which ones are for review. So like STEM Scopepedia and Picture Vocabulary, those are for you to read over and study. As the post-assessment, though, this one is to be submitted for a grade. So make sure you're referring to that Google Classroom. But in case you wanted to know how to get in to STEM Scopes without going through Google Classroom, here you go.